Boys and girls, welcome back to the drive-through. Fifth bell. Hungry? Stop by the deli. Make yourself a, I don't know, how about a Cajun chicken sandwich on sweet Hawaiian bread toasted with sriracha mustard. And throw a little mayo on there. It's already sweet Hawaiian bread. Let's just indulge today. Okay, this is number 41. It's a great problem because it requires you to do something that you've been doing for a long time, and then it combines that with something that's new. So let me get it written down correctly, and then we'll talk about it. Oops. Okay, so it says complete the square. Oh, it tells us how to do it. To write the equation of a sphere in standard form, find the center and the radius. On the quiz, the wording will probably just be find the center and the radius. I'm not going to tell you to complete the square, but you'll have to do that. So the technique on completing the square is to group things by letter. Leave yourself some space. Running out of room. And then move the number over to the other side, okay? Because you want the radius over on the other side. The easy version of completing the square takes place when the coefficient in front of the power of 2 is 1. So that's this. You cut this number in half and square it, okay? So you take half of negative 2 is negative 1, square it, add 1 here, add 1 here. Just to remind you, if this wasn't a coefficient of 1, you'd have to factor it out, and then whatever you add in here, you got to multiply it by the factor, so that gets kind of tricky, okay? So half of 6 is 3, 3 squared is 9, half of 8 is 4, 4 squared is 16. I can now rewrite this as x minus 1 squared. I can write this as y plus 3 squared. I can write that as z plus 4 squared. And now that's all equal to, let's see, 26 minus 1, right? Oh, of course it is. Of course it is. So now we know that the center is the point. Go ahead. Yep. Very good. And the radius? Boom!